go, go. Cover that, Aiden. I got one flag. Don't get pissed. Dead man. Watch our right. Okay, we're good. That one was a little iffy. I'm pretty sure I shot him a couple. I have a flag. You and Colby ladder off of each other. Colby, you and Trey ladder up. Lean around, Trey gets it so you don't actually shoot him. Friendly. Just trying to move up and find flags. Aaron, work, 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 work. See me when I work, 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 work.
Dead man walking in.
Dead man walking in. Guns down for just a sec. Dead man. Hey, Trey, you move with me as a meat shield. Go, move. No, because they have to be visible. Good shot, Trey. I'm literally holding 2 flags. That's the only reason why I'm back here. Colby, I'm holding an objective. That's the only reason why. Colby, if you want to risk it, try moving in. We missed that one. He was so close to shooting me. I saw it go across my visor. Reoccurring problem. Did you get him? Nice work, though. Fire shot! Cole heating up like that leftover lasagna. I want you to stay in front of me, Watson. Whichever one, Austin. Dead man! Trey, you're looking pretty cute. Yeah, I don't know why Colby was trying to get me to push up. Colby, if I die and take an L, make sure to grab these flags. Ugh, this is some boring gameplay. I'm sorry, Airsoft Tulsa. Holding an objective is not my thing. Oh, that hit my gun. It ricocheted off the wall and hit my gun. That spooked me. I know, it just spooked me. Thanks, Aaron. I just captured that all on film. Do 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 do. Like it when you work. Where's Rihanna with like a bunch of food in her mouth? Work. See, I got it stuck in your head. That was my goal for the day. Good shot. Good shooting, Tex. Work. Fight. Work. I'm getting bored and I don't want to lose these flags.
About roughly 5 minutes, 5.5.
Alright, I'll just sit here and enjoy my time as an objective carrier. Carrying an objective is like carrying HIV. No one wants to.
Somebody's got to do it.
Right, somebody's got to deal with it. Poor person who works that has to look over my footage and just hear my stupid commentary. Because it's supposed to go up to the shop. The only thing is, I'm just sitting here holding an objective, so it doesn't really make the gameplay look fun. I'm going in for the kill. Do it. Do. Hey, that's pretty good. What's up, Trey? Oh, look at when you work. A couple times, dude, that Pokemon dude, or whatever they call him, Kyle, freehanding that pistol, he's almost hit me. He's been this close. Y'all are doing work. Work. There is? I could try. Should I risk 2 flags to get that one though?
I was going to wait until towards the end. 3 minutes left, yeah.
Honestly, if we all just die right here with flags, they won't get to it. Oh, ball. Aaron, that legit made me jump.
Walk your arm, bud.
Do. Aiden. I was like, he wasn't really aiming. That was Kyle. He was trying to be a gangster. Yeah, I don't know if he gets like an extra boost of adrenaline, but there's been a couple times it's been suspicious. Aaron. Down in the deal. It spooked me too. I had to let out my girly screams. Yeah, that rail is sexy.
I think I'm going to go to the right side.
Watch that. You do something fun. Hey. This dude. Took one right in the titty. I wish I could be that Milsom. Aiden, when I grow up, I'm gonna be just like him. One-handing, walking around like the Terminator. I don't have the balls to do what he did. What I do is just, I don't know, I just logically can do that. Do. It's just too much risk. Get him, man. You got this. Oh, that gun is definitely a turn on. How much are those? Oh, it's shift through my pocket. Okay, so this magwell's crap. There's no flags over here, I got them. Oh, it wasn't feeding. What's the even? Flare shot!